Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Fabulous four-fingered freak here. And today is the official Pepsi Blue taste test. That's right. I'm gonna open up this bottle of Pepsi Blue and taste it for the first time in 20 odd years. Now, here we go. Enough talk. More drinking. Alright. And I'm gonna tell you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and obviously, your favorite part, how much of a burp does it give? Yeah. Whoa, so far so good. Pepsi Blue smells like very, very blue raspberry sugar candy. I love it. Awesome smell. So far so good. PepsiCo, 1 out of 1. Great job. Now, taste. One burp already. So taste wise, very, very sugary. Reminds me of cotton candy from when you go to the town fair or a carnival or something. That's 2 out of 2 for you, PepsiCo. Now, let's check out the burbs. All right. Awesome. Oh. If I do end up with a blue tongue, I'm gonna have to give PepsiCo a 4 out of 4. Perfect score. Perfect, just like me. All right, let's keep going. Wow. Awesome. Getting bluer. to my pal Louis from Rare Drank Exotic Soda, 2150 Rachel East. Go check it out if you're ever in Montreal. It's an awesome store. The store owner, Louis, is a crazy, super cool, awesome guy just like me. And I'm going to tell him to order more of this because it is awesome. Congratulations to PepsiCo. You guys rule. On with the show. Wow. Drinking cotton candy. I think PepsiCo's gonna get a 4 out of 4. I'm pretty damn sure about it. Yeah, baby. This one's for you, Louis. Very addictive. This stuff rules. And Coke, you suck. And that's it. First bottle done. PepsiCo, congratulations. 4 out of 4 for you. And again, thanks to Louis from Rare Drank Exotic Soda. And this is your pal, Fabulous 4-fingered freak sane. Burp ya, baby! Yeah.